can't bring my ladder back because I'm going out with you. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
Hey, don't open up that stern. Come on, let's smoke.
Oh my God, it's so different now. Yeah, how they used to hit me, now they let me down. Yeah, I remember days of wearing hand-me-downs. Yeah, got it out the mud, they understand me now. I swear I'm just a young, no, keep counting up a check. I've been having fun.
What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna get right into this video. I'm getting ready to go to an event right now, so I'm like trying to rush and get ready, but I wanted to show you all how I put on my lace closure wig, how I install it, and all that good stuff. So,
you know I've had a really good time these past couple weeks, right?
We aim to please.
I'm serious.
I did just let me turn off the TV. So, I did just wash, well, I co-washed it just now. I already laid my baby hairs underneath, which I don't normally do ever. And I'm just like trying to place it. I want to do a side part today. Honestly, I really could just go like this. Oh, girl, hold up. That's something different now. Hold on. I'm going to lay it down. Wow, my hands are so ashy. I'm going to use my Got To Be Glued blasting spray. This stuff is life if y'all didn't know already. And I'm going to pull that back. It's really simple and really easy, I promise y'all. This is all that I do. Right here. And normally I like do my makeup after I do this because it gets really messy, but I had to rush today, so. I like to put extra freeze spray like on the ends because they tend to give me the hardest time. And then I just pull her up and place her down right there and right there. So now that it's secure, I like to take my bobby pins that I was using as my comb, and just to give it some extra security, hold up trap, just to give it some extra security, because I did not put an elastic band on this wig yet. This hair is from Maxine hair. It is Malaysian water wave. It's not working. It's a 18-inch closure, 222s and 2 20-inch bundles. And it is fire, as y'all can see. And I'm gonna go on the other side and do the same thing. This is just, you know what I'm saying, some extra security, you know what I mean? If you haven't checked out the review for this hair, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below. And this is it. I just literally put some, like, dipped this in water and co-washed it with some Aussie Moisture 3-Minute Miracle. And this is the magic that it has. So now to define just to finish off the look, I have my oil. Put a little bit of oil on, you know, can never go wrong with oil. Just to tame my frizz and, you know, to give it some moisture and all that stuff. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take some setting lotion or foam mousse, whatever you want to call it, and I'm basically just gonna set my curls. So I'm scrunching it up like this. That was defining my curls. So now I'm going to just make my part a little more transparent and put a little bit of powder on it. You know how that go. So honestly, that's it. Like, it literally is a 10-minute process of me putting on my wig and like leaving the house. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you love, like, you know, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on, get notified every time I upload new posts. And oh duh, follow me on my social media. Like, why wouldn't you? You know, like, IG be going, you know. Thank you all so much for tuning in with me today. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Yes. Mwah.